Hi, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, and this is the April news for 24 and point cloud software hardware. That's my topic. This is a short episode because I'm on vacation, but I find some few interesting facts which I like to share with you. Stay tuned if you are interested. Yeah, let us start direct. For people that watch my show very often, they know we start usually with hardware. And there I have one company here from the laser scanning solid state, I would say sector, is Innofix. It's an Israeli company, and there does a big winter testing with their system. And with this system, it's they tested this. Maybe I can show it here. Yeah, they make a big winter testing here of their system, and shows that the system runs well in even worse condition, but it's not typically so good for laser scanners. And you see you have a very good point cloud, and they say now they have a very good strong algorithm for their point cloud and for their hardware and the post-processing, and they feel them very good. And they like also getting some certification for roof rack, what they need. So, and the very interesting part comes for me also in the end, where the CEO tells us, the CEO says that in 2030 we will have approx 10 million LiDAR scanners across different levels of autonomy driving, and 5 years later we will have maybe the double, according to this. And actually, if I see what we have in our terrestrial laser scanning and mobile laser scanning market, we maybe have 10 to 20,000, maybe 20,000 installations on the market. And I think that is dramatic other numbers if we speak from 10 to 20 million to maybe 20,000. So I see there is big potential for the future. I think that's for me the important side information from this article. This whole story reminds me on a German science project what I saw for a few years, maybe 5-6 years in the past. So there was a project they called him Shell 3D. So, and they are also developed a green-light laser scanner system for underwater measurement. That comes from the University of Würzburg, and this was a science project. But I don't see there any commercial outcomes, so it's not a total new story, but for me looks like there's the other people they are going more straight to the market need. So, and now come a big one. It's this Autodesk has acquired PointFuse core IP, and PointFuse, I don't know, many people maybe know them who watch my channel, is a 3D mesh program from the, I think coming originally from the UK. Was around like 8-10 years on the market, I would say, and it's now acquired by Autodesk, and I think they will be integrated this in their platform. I think if you have a license, you can use it until April of next year, and then we will see maybe a deep integration of this technology in this Autodesk product world, and then maybe there's coming something else with mesh and object extraction, so maybe for Revit or similar, I would say maybe Revit or Maya. So it can be interesting what they are doing there. And then we have another point here from Autodesk Nemetschek. I found it here on the Autodesk website. It's they have now they agreed an advanced open workflow between this both big market player, and they like to integrate their construction cloud systems and the Autodesk platform services, and also the Nemetschek dTwin services like Bluebeam and BIM Plus system, and also their hardware programs, what they use. Also they have the cloud, they want working together on the cloud, but also on the desktop products, and this means that you have then opportunity to collect the different programs together. I have to look where is these which program that can be. So I find here the information which is they collected in both programs is on the Autodesk side. We have AutoCAD, Revit, 3ds, Max and Maya, as well as Autodesk Forma and Autodesk Construction Cloud, and similar to Nemetschek solution from Allplan, Archicad, Bluebeam, Max1, Vectorworks, and Nevermatch relevant cloud platforms. Also it's a big interaction that you can share maybe data from Autodesk Revit to Allplan and Archicad. This would be super helpful for anybody who is in the BIM modeling topic. Everybody who works now know that this changing, making a Revit model and deliver this to an architect who work with Archicad. It's maybe not everything will be transferred if you use IFC, and if they are working closer together and using this open bin idea from Building Smart, I think that can be a big advantage for all users. So very, very great information. So, and then we find some other point from hardware stuff here, coming from Chinese research guys. They developed a single photon, very light, small laser system, what works on high resolution 3D image on low laser. The idea they say is like if you want to put this on drone or satellites, you need lowest laser performance, but they can with this technology, this was somewhere written here, they have like 15 centimeters pixel size in 1.5 kilometers. So, and they say they have already this prototype platform, and now they try to make it smaller, that they can integrate it, and I think they want commercial this especially for satellite images. So, and then I think they want, with this you can do permanent airborne laser scanning if you have it in the satellite, so you can capture an area every day if the satellite passes through. I think it's much cheaper as sending a drone or an airplane. So I think that is maybe something for the future. And then finally we have also like a transform trajectory is the case here. We have an application from scanning like park houses where you use an IMU in the mobile mapping system, and you have the problem that you don't have any good GPS signals, also you cannot correct your IMU's data with GPS signals, and you have to collect this. And what they use now, it's having two sensors here on top and additional an odometer, and capturing then all data together and how they collected this. One, you have the IMU sitting in the car, then you have the horizontal laser who works also with SLAM, and the calibration parameters from this system. We're speaking about this system. And on the other hand, you have they create a trajectory and maybe also a piece of a point cloud, and then from this final sensor, what is on the end of the car is this one, they generate then they make the trajectory, and this one make then the point cloud, and then you collect it all together. And the result you can see, if you have these problem with double lines, as you drive double, you see double point clouds, and you not collected this. And if you use this SLAM technology, you can then use both point clouds, as in both pathways together. You have one single point cloud, and this is an achievement in post-processing. For me, it's not totally new. I think there's also other producer of IMUs system, they are also working on this, but here is very good explained on this example from the Trimble system who offering these services. So, and with this information I'm pretty much done, and don't forget, if you have any question, leave a comment, subscribe the channel, give me a thumb up if you like it, and recommend my channel to other people so that this community can grow. I say bye bye, thank you for watching this content, until the next news in the next month.